I show hamster in Canada, and we're gonna see some golden finger. Let's do it.
First is KraZy Tornado.
Okay, let's see some golden finger.
You have only 3 chances. Guys, if I don't make this, there's gonna be 1 eye in my room.
Golden finger.
Three,
Over
2,
there.
1, golden finger. Oh, hey! If I don't make this one, then there's gonna be 200 spiders. No, 100,000 spiders in my house and eat you. If I make it, then I get $100. Actually, $10. No, $500,000. Make sure to subscribe to KraZy Superman. Guys, if I make this, you guys have to like and subscribe and comment. What is your favorite color? Make it faster. 3, 2, 1. Let him cook. One more try, and there will be a 500,000 ants in your bed tonight, and and eat you alive. If you don't make this, nobody will like and subscribe. If I make this, totally true. Smash that like button. Smash that. I'm just joking. If he doesn't make it, you have to like and subscribe. Everything. This is KraZy Superman, live in Burnaby, Canada.
Golden finger.
Golden finger. Let him cook. Let him cook. Let him cook some meat. Let him cook. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Now
Good job. Golden finger.
golden finger.
Now you're cameraman.
Yeah, cameraman.
Right now is KraZy Superman doing golden finger.
No, Katie.
You have only one shot.
Golden finger.
Only
one shot.
because you are the best.
Yup. Not fair. I'll do 3. 2. No. Oh my god.
You have to do 1, bro. That's what KraZy said.
Golden finger.
KraZy Superman about to do.
Golden finger.
Move your finger.
Okay.
That was,
This is forehead. If he doesn't make this, there's gonna be 500,000 ants will be in his bed tonight.
Okay.
Give me one quadrillion.
Second shot.
Second shot. Let's go. This is forehead. Over there.
He gets only 1 eye in his head. And then he was able to kill it. 3, 2, 1. Golden.
Golden finger.
3,
Finger.
2,
Finger.
1. Look, he's doing it.
No, 1,000 quadrillion. Last chance.
No. Golden
Last-
finger. Last chance.
If you don't
Last
do the
chance,
plan,
guys.
I'm
Last
better than
chance. If he didn't like and subscribe and hit that bell button of yours.
Yeah, later.
I'm kidding. They're gonna be living in the car tonight.
This is KraZy high flying.
If you can't
This is for high flying to do the golden finger. I know you are gonna be on TV.
No, I don't want to.
Well, you're gonna be anyways. You're not gonna be on TV.
I am. So why am I in TV?
Okay, right now,
KraZy.
KraZy earthquake.
No.
Golden finger. Let's go.
Golden finger, let's go.
Crazy! Crazy!
No, no, that's normal.
Forehead is gonna do the golden finger. He's one of my annoying little classmates.
Or you can do golden stick, right? Show golden stick.
Crazy on forehand or whatever. Crazy earthquake forehand, whatever it's gonna do. The golden stick. A stick. I still like golden finger though. You're going to be on TV, you know. Yeah, boys.
Now look at this. I'm gonna do an overlay.
Okay, Crazy Superman gonna do golden legs.
Yes, golden leg. Let's go.
Golden leg.
If he did, please like and subscribe and hit that like button and bell button.
If he does 4 around the leg, he's better than me. He only gets 2 chances. If he does it, then he's.
2 more chances. Golden legs.
Then I get Arizona.
Golden legs.
3, 2.
I'm out. Peace. Golden. Oops, sorry.
Be careful.
Yep. I'll just be standing on the road. Oh. Okay. Like seriously, golden leg. I hear that whooping sound. Whooping.
W in the chat.
Oh man. Last try, guys. Last try, boy. Last try. Hopefully you do it.
W in the chat.
I hope I don't fall on these rollerblades. Help!
3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 5. Okay.
Let's go! He did it! Hit that like button of yours!
And subscribe.
And comment! Whatever you want!
Comment. Put W in the chat.
W!
Yo, Crazy Superman here.
Yo! Chris Superman here.
We are now going to do an airdrop.
And I'm not Chris Superman.
And
Yup.
it's a surprise gift for Crazy Superman. So go to the bench.
Okay. Okay, guys, we're going to the bench and having fun. I'll show you the way we're going. So we go this way. We go like this.
Hello.
And then finally I'm getting a surprise because my birthday, nobody even gave me a surprise, only I got it. I'm super. Hi, Travis! I'm so happy he's gonna give me something. Oh, he's so happy. I'm happy right now. Mom, if you're watching this, I love you. Okay, 3, 2, 1. We are in the bench. That's it. Now we're gonna wait for the drone. And then it's so fun. Like I could do a backflip. I'll jump. I'm just joking. I would actually jump. Another. Boom. Make sure to put that like button and subscribe to Crazy Superman. Oh wait, a drone is coming. Go.
Where?
A drone is coming to me. He's giving a gift. You see that?
Yeah.
That's mine for me. They're gonna airdrop it. Here.
Who's doing it?
Someone. I'm gonna go catch it, okay? Wait, is that Orhan's?
No, no, it's someone else.
It's just so Orhan.
I know. I'm gonna catch it, okay?
How are we gonna catch it? I got a sticky hand and
No,
feet.
I'm gonna catch it. That's for me. It came from, I don't know. I don't know. Just giving it to me. Get down, get down, get down. Oh my god. Oh for it. Oh for it. Yeah. Oh fuck.
Yo, that's for me.
No, that's for me.
What is that? Let me see.
Hell no.
Let me see what that is.
Hell no.
Let me see now. What's in there?
Ooh,
Let me see.
it was like crazy.
See what it is.
That's for you.
Yeah, that was a successful airdrop.
What did you get?
Yeah, it definitely was.
Ow! Please like and subscribe and hit that like button of
Yo guys, today is the happy birthday present for KraZy Tornado. That's the first gift. He's gonna get a second gift, airdrop. So go to the entrance of swimming pool, wait there. The gift is coming.
Okay, so guys, today is my birthday. Please comment happy birthday tornado in the comments. The sun is gonna be coming soon. What do you wanna say? Crazy. Okay, crazy. We have to go back. Huh?
Why?
We have no charge. It didn't have charge.
No wonder it took so long.
I wonder why you peed your pants tonight.
So lucky I got
I'm getting it tomorrow. My gift. Mission failed. Can you guys subscribe to KraZy Superman and me? Tornado Plays down below. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. My fans out there. Please subscribe to me. Put you on feet. Put you on feet. Put you on feet. Put you on feet. I don't. Subscribe me YouTube. Where? Oh, the drone! Yay! The drone is the king present. Hey, my birthday present!
Let's go!
My birthday present! Oh, what you gonna say to the video? Today's my birthday! Guys, it's coming down! Dude! Huh? I don't know! I hope it's Pokemon. Yeah. So let's let's go.
Open it. I'll open it.
Pen.
Ali, they have 9-4.
Pen.
Oh, crap. They have 9-4.
Protect your hand.